Hi guys, I wanted to show you this question because there are ways that we can use our calculator to put exponents into the calculator, and there's a few tricks that you can use that you may already know or may not know, and I want to show you that in this video. So as you're solving problems such as the one on the screen right now, you will understand how you can put the exponents into the calculator the correct way and the fastest way, the most efficient way. So here we see to complete the table to find the value of a non-zero number raised to the power of 0. So a non-zero number just means our base numbers are not 0. That means they are 6 in this case. Notice that this is 6 to the 4th power, 6 to the 3rd power, 6 to the 2nd power, 6 to the 1st power, and 6 to the power of 0. Also understand we've worked with a few of these things in the fact that we have 6 cubed over here, and we have 6 squared over here, and 6 cubed and 6 squared, we already know they are perfect cubes and perfect squares, and we already actually know what they are. Well, maybe not 6 cubed, but 6 squares is 36. So there's some things that we've already done that you kind of know. Now, if I'm trying to get 6 to the 4th power and I want to know what 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 is, I can use my calculator in order to do that. Here's what you need to do. On your calculator, you will first put in the base number. The base number is the number 6. Down here, you see an x to the power of y. The x to the power of y means you can put any power you want in there. So first, we're going to use this button, and notice that you get a caret up here. That caret button is also on some calculators that you will see. So if you don't have this specific calculator and you're trying to put in 6 to the 4th power, look for a button that looks like this, and that is a caret button. So we're going to put to the 4th power in. Oops, I went a little too far there. 6 to the 4th power. And then all we have to do is hit equals. And that 6 to the 4th power is 1296. So 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 is 1296. So when we go back here, we see that our answer is certainly 1296. So now let's look at 6 to the 3rd power. Now, this one's a little easier on the calculator because we can put in the 6 again. And instead of putting in the X and the Y button here, we don't really need to use that. It's faster to use this button because it cubes something very quickly for you. So you can hit the number 6 and hit x cubed and then hit equals, and you get 216. Okay. You may also do the next one, which is 6 squared. If I put 6 squared on the calculator, I get 6 first and hit x squared, which is over here. And 6 squared will give me 36. So there is a squared and there is a cubed already over here for you. For every other one, you can use x to the power of y. So if we go back and look at 6 to the 1st power, well, 6 to the 1st power is kind of easy because 6 to the 1st power is only 6 because that's all it is. I mean, there's only 1 6 there. So you really don't have to put that one on the calculator. The value of 6 to the power of 0, okay, I know you're going to learn 6 to anything to the power of 0, but if we actually wanted to put 6 to the power of 0, we could still do this the same way, and notice that it equals 1, and you'll learn that in one of your other demonstrations and videos. So this is just based on calculator use for one of the things that you may see in lesson 1-7 on practice and problem solving. I don't want you to think that we're going to leave you hanging there and not know how to use the exponent on the calculator. So hopefully this helps you out to use those exponents on the calculator and figure out your values. Take your time whenever you're doing your lessons. Careful, make sure you're getting obviously correct answers. And if you don't need to use the calculator, don't use it. So a lot of people know 6 to the power of 0 and 6 to the power of 1 and 6 to the power of 2. So use it only when you need to. It'll help you become faster.